Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to take a look at our mobile application of STRIDE HRMS. Every successful HRMS thrives on exception application in order to function properly. There, the employee has its own portal, can log in from anywhere, see important updates, and can punch in, punch out, or request break, all from anywhere within the reach of their pockets. So, let's see how we can use it. First, go to Play Store and search STRIDE HRMS. Upon loading, you will see our STRIDE app. Then click on Install. After installing, open it. You will be prompted to enter the URL of STRIDE HRMS that your organization use. Then, select your organization, input your contact details, and complete the verification process via an OTP that is sent to your provided number. Then complete the login by writing the password of your portal. After logging in, you have successfully entered to your portal. If you are unable to access your portal, then contact your HR. On the top, you can see your details with your employee code, department, and designation. Just below, the timesheet displays today's check-in and check-out times, followed by a comprehensive view of your leaves for the year, including available balances. Just below, you can see if any of the employee of your organization have their birthday today. And under that, you will see a calendar with the summary of your present, absent, and late details. You can click on any particular day, and this shows you your check-in and check-out time with its respective day. Below that, you can see the holidays for this month. Navigate to the Attendance tab for a detailed breakdown of your timesheet. Upon visiting Attendance tab for the first time, you will see a pop-up message of allowing STRIDE to give access to your device location. Give it access. This will make STRIDE to work properly on your device. You can see your punch in and punch out time with locations with your today's work hour. On the next tab, you can see your leave balances with the different types of leave and how many your leaves you availed along with your total leave balances. Below that, you will see your recent request of your leave if you make one, and apply for leave from here. Let's see how you can apply for one. Click on Apply for Leave. Select a balanced leave category, then add a date. After adding, select if it's going to be full-day leave or half-day leave. Then write the reason for applying the leave. Then click on Apply for a Leave. You can see the leave request reflected on your Recent Request section and in Your Leave Request section. The next tab is Profile View. You can see your profile with employee code department and designation, along with your birthday, date of joining, location, and skills. You can also change your password from here. For that, click on Change Password, write your old password, and then New Password and confirm the new password. By rewriting it, then click on Change Password, and your password has been changed. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any queries, call us at the number displayed in your screen.